been over a year now since I started my telekinesis training, and it's been 3 months since I tried my best to bury it all. It all started with the book, The Secret History of Psychokinesis. Someone, or maybe something, left it on my doorstep late one evening. Soon, I was obsessed, consumed by my new powers, and eventually, the power got out of control. It wasn't long before I was paid a visit by the hooded figure from my nightmares. It warned me not to waste this opportunity. Clearly, this was who left the book for me, but why? Why me? As fate would have it, the book itself had forged a telekinetic bond with me and I with it. Now, I have no idea where this power comes from, but I know it's not inherently evil. The hooded figure, on the other hand, felt rotten at its core. I wallowed in fear and self-pity for a bit before finally coming to my senses. I know this book can be used for good, and I know most likely the hooded figure will return. So I swallowed my pride and reached out to my friends. It took some serious explaining, but eventually they understood the stakes. I needed their help, or I wasn't going to survive the next visitation. And so we began their training. Day and night, we worked our way from the beginning of the book. I walked them through everything. Psychokinetic exercises that took me months to master, they would learn in weeks. If we hadn't been preparing to fight for our lives, it would have almost been kind of fun. It was like we had our own little superhero academy here in my backyard. I taught them all of the new things I had learned about the nature of reality. Little by little, bit by bit, they began to see the connections. I wholeheartedly believe we found power in numbers. All of their energies combined with my energy and the energy from the book to create this collective consciousness that accelerated everyone's powers. To be honest, they surprised even me with some of their new abilities. I have no idea why I was chosen, and I don't know when the hooded figure will return. But when it does, we'll be ready.